Okay, hi guys. So I'm going to show it to you all how these people are hacking into my network. Okay, let's start. First, we'll open this app, Big Data IP Tools, and then you can check from here. The functionality, the thing which you gotta check is the IP4 mapper. When you open the IP4 mapper, it will show you their fantastic network which they have created. All this you can click on this and you can click on the map and see on the bottom. Okay, these are the addresses, these are the IP addresses flowing into my network. These are the addresses which are hacking into my network. Okay, download this application and you can also prove it too. Now we'll go there and we'll open the map section. Okay, so as you can see in the map, this is a brilliant networking system they have set up. Okay, this all are relay points, nodes, access points they have set up inside my house and all around my houses. The blue dot is a primary hacking location. Okay, in reality what should be happening is all these IP addresses are exactly matching my devices. I mostly use cellular internet and Wi-Fi internet. So there are primarily two IP addresses I have which are constant and fixed. You see this one, this is my cellular IP address. This one also same cellular. This is my Wi-Fi IP address. It starts with 146. This cellular 106, Wi-Fi 146. See all this, so many routes, nodes, points. It should actually be only connecting to primarily to a cell phone tower, but it's been connecting to so many residences. These are individual residences. I'll show it to you. Okay, let's open this one. See there. See, it's an individual residence. There's no cell phone tower here. There's nothing here. So this residence has been involved. This either a relay system or routing system has been placed on this house so that the hacker can access me, masking himself. Okay. So these are cluster of nodes and relay points placed all around my houses, all around. I primarily move in between this location and this location. See, you can see there's a bunch of nodes, relay points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas my primary location is this, and from here it routes to this place. This place is a constant place. Out here there is no cell tower, there's nothing. It's not be broadcasting here. So it's a center, it's a Brown Dialysis Center DM switch. And the most shocking about this is these are not primary towers or any server. These are not primary towers or server stations. These are actually private residences. Okay, we'll go here. This is my primary location. I reside here. This is the place I reside here. And see this. Let's see this point. This point. Where does this point to? Oh, see, this points exactly to my neighbor's house. Exactly into my neighbor's house it points. So this is quite shocking to know. Everything it points this one. So what more evidence can we give it to you? Everything is connected.